Topic: Choice as an economics problem. Objective: to study the choice as an economics problem. Outcomes: after completion of the sessions, students will understand the relationship between unlimited wants and limited sources. The problems of scarcity. We live in a world of society. People need variety of goods and services. This applies equally to the poor and rich people. It implies that human wants are unlimited, but the means of fulfill them are limited. At any one time, a limited amount of goods and services can be produced. This is because the existing supply of resources are extremely inadequate. The resources are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurships. The problems of scarcity. These factors of productions or inputs are used in producing goods and services that are called economic goods, which have a price. The facts explain society as the principal problems of every society and suggested the law of scarcity. The law states that human wants are virtually unlimited and these resources available to scarcity, these wants are limited. The problems of choice. Since her life in a world of scarcity, the society can produce a small portions of goods and services that it is people wants. Therefore, scarcity of resources give rise to the fundamental economic problems of choice. As a society cannot through uh, produce enough goods and services to be satisfied all these wants of its people, it has to make choice. Human wants. Man is a bundle of describes human needs or material items people need to survive, such foods, cloth, and house. In other words, human needs are generally understood as things necessary to enable the human to continue to live. On the other hand, human wants are unfit in variety and in numbers. Wants also vary from individual to individual and they multiply with the stage of developments of country. Consumption studies about the satisfactions of human wants. Under consumptions we study about the nature of wants, the classifications of wants and this law related to consumptions. Characteristics of human wants. Human wants are unlimited, means is neverly uh, completely satisfied as there is no end of human wants. When one want is satisfied, another wants will crop up to the take its place and thus there is never ending cycle of wants. Hence no man is completely satisfied for us. Second one, the partial wants is stable. Allowed we cannot satisfy all our wants, we can satisfy for particular wants is there are resources. Wants are completely. Sometimes for satisfy a particular wants we need several things through. For example, to write one should have pen and ink. Hence, the relationship between the pen and ink in completely. Wants are comparative. Wants compete with each other for your limited sources. For example, which RS-25 one can have meals or can see a cinema or buy a notebook, so one has to make a choice. Wants are recovering. Some wants are recovering in nature's example we required food again and again. Wants are a result of customs conventions. As part of custom and conventions, we buy many things. Really, they are not required, but unlucky we have to purchase. It is example a explain one social commerce. Classification of wants. Wants may be classified into necessarily comfort and luxury. 1. Necessary. Necessary are those things which are most essential and without which we cannot live. This can be subdivided as necessary of extension, the things which without which we can no existence of water, food, cloth and shelter. Conventional necessary, the things which we can forced to use by social customs. B. Comfort. After satisfying your necessity, we decide to have some comforts. Comfort give pleasure and added to the efficiency of the persons. For example, table and chairs for a student help to increase the efficiency, but choosers cash, costly chairs is not a comfort. C. Luxury. Luxury means uh, surpluses consumptions after getting comfort man desire luxury. Luxury necessary please pleasures of a person but do not increase one efficiency and have some luxury we wants. The luxury articles need not required. Example gold and silver costly. Fortune examples. Reference Dr. Ahuja, Modern Macroeconomics, Krishnaya Gowda, Macro Theory.